Hello, welcome to the channel. So today we are discussing about latch releasing coil of air circuit breaker. So this is a critical component in your air circuit breaker. When a fault is detected, a signal energizes this coil. Its electromagnetic force instantly disengages the mechanical latch, holding the contacts closed. This allows the stored energy in the breaker's operating springs to rapidly separate the contacts, interrupting the fault current. Speed and reliability here are non-negotiable for this system protection.